The Municipal Corporation of Delhi (MCD) Shadara North Zone on Friday carried out a drive against illegal encroachments in the new Usmanpur area. Bulldozers rolled in at Gutampuri and demolished about 100 to 150 permanent structures in the area. The drive was carried out as a joint effort between the General Branch and a team of the Maintenance Division, Health and Veterinary Department of the MCD. A road stretch of about 1 kilometer was cleared of all illegal encroachments during the drive. The MCD conducting a bulldozer drive to demolish illegal encroachments in Delhi's new Usmanpur area. India Today photo: as many as 100 to 150 permanent structures were demolished during the drive on Friday. India Today photo: the officers of different departments formed a team and acted against those encroaching on the sidewalks and streets of the markets. The Deputy Commissioner of Shadara North Zone, Amit Kumar Sharma, said that the Municipal Corporation of Delhi is adopting a zero-tolerance policy towards illegal encroachments and action is being taken by the corporation from time to time. He added that the aim of such drives is to provide encroachment-free roads and walkable footpaths for the residents.